Flyers get set to face off against the Sabres. Flyers 5-3-2 in their last 10. And Coburn gets possession with the puck. As Mazzaros is checked, Morrison will give it to Coburn. Flyers try to stay on sides. Here's air off to Pominville. Pominville to Bannock a shot. And that shot goes wide. Flyers beat the Sabres in the shootout the last time they played. Here's Briere cutting in behind the net. Gets the pass to Coburn who takes a shot. And Ryan Miller with the save. Flyers lost to the Wild 7-2 in their last game. Here's a chance for Briere. That shot is wide, and here's Wayne. Hartnell with Coburn. He'll shoot. Save. Briere with the stick. He missed the net. And Aroff with the puck. And the Flyers take it away again, and Miller passes the lead. Here's Tiemann. Tiemann will send it down the board. Aroff. Here's Mazzaros. Miller. Send it out to the Sabre player as he drills down, takes a shot, pad save. And here goes Simmons. Simmons moves up, has forecheck in the lane, didn't pass the forecheck. Here's Simmons again. Simmons. The Ennis. And Tyler Ennis. This is Hodge. Hodge. Sitting all the way down. Here's Mazzaros. Mazzaros to Hodgson. Hodgson taking all the way down. 13:48 to go. Here's Weber. Shot! They score! And I think it was Max Talbot. No, they're going to give it to Fedotenko. I looked away for a second. And Ruslav Fedotenko puts one home, and the Flyers lead it 1-0. Well, that's how quick the Flyers can score. You don't want to look away. They were striking real quick. There's Pat. Pat shoots one. Briscoe with the save, and he will cover up. Ryan Morrison, the leading scorer for the Flyers. Sabres is 17-1 in their last 10. Pominville, Briscoe will cover up. Shoots one, hits off the post. Here goes Jervis. We'll give it to Briere with Hartnell. Hartnell with the puck. Hartnell. And Leopold is Pominville. Pominville will send it up to Bannock. Bannock. On to Morrison. Here's Scott Hartnell. Hartnell. With the move to Briere! Briere is knocked down, but Sierra takes the puck away. And the Sabres in second half control of it. There's Briere again. Briere. Poke check. There's Hartnell. Hartnell. This is the Cabina. Cabina. Morrison, a shot. Save Miller. A big save there. Here's Leopold. Here come the Sabres. Opportunity is good. Back to Sear, the shot was off with the save. And here's Cabina. And Simmons is offside. Opportunity for the Sabres. Right off the bottom of the post. There's Stafford. Takes a shot. Great save. Rebound. Coburn. Here comes the Flyers. Behind the net. Waits. Has it to Reed. To Coburn. Shoots one and Miller with the save. Got a glove on it. Rieger behind the net. And gives it to Stafford. Stafford got the puck taken away for a moment. Retrieves possession. It's Tyler Ennis. Ennis in the left wing. Ennis with the pass to Stafford. Makes a shot at Reed. Again, deep in the Flyers zone. Coburn checked. Simmons, here's Mazzaros. Mazzaros shoots one more with the save. Earhart. There's Simmons behind the net. Looks for a shot. Miller got a piece of it. And here goes Ennis. Earhart. Send it deep. Mazzaros. Here's Hartnell. Hartnell. Morrison. It's Mazzaros a shot. It's wide. With another shot. Hartnell again. A save made. Weber. And here's Sosa. On to Stafford. Stafford, the Sosa shot. And a save made is Weber. Stafford, the Earhart shoots one off the post again. Sabres had a couple of post shots. Here's Mazzaros. Briere. Here's Earhart with Lena. Sitting around, Jason Pominville. And it's the shot. Shelley takes it away. Here's Danny Briere. Briere. Here's a shot. Saved by Miller. Shelley has possession again. Shelley, the former New York Ranger. Briere was checked with filling the goalie. No call there. Should have been a call. A minute to go in the first period. Here's Jason Pominville, and Bank is offsides. Team in. Here's Simmons. Simmons, a chance at Voracek. Voracek had a beat on it, but couldn't finish it. Here's Leopold. Giroux. With 5 seconds to go in the first period. Will come to an end as Miller gets a glove on the puck, and that'll do it for the first. The Sabres and Flyers. They're in Buffalo. The Flyers have the early lead.
Just a reminder to always keep your eye on the puck. If you enter the seating area and pause, you'll get injured.
And the start of the second period here from the first Niagara Center. Buffalo, New York. Mazzaros gets the puck to Coburn. Coburn lost it, and here's Vanek. Vanek. There's Pominville. Palmerville a chance. Vanek hit it again. Leno a chance. A helmet flew off. I think it was Vanek. Helmet by the Sabres flew off. Here come the Flyers. This is Morrison. Morrison to Timonen. Timonen and Mazzaros, who shoots one, and it's wide. Hartnell a chance. It is wide. A little bit high. Morrison another shot. And a save made by Miller. Morrison back, skating in. Miller with the save. And the Flyers are putting pressure on the Sabres here early in the second period. Oh, what a save by Miller. Nice save there. Forward check. And then Leopold. Here's Ott. Who fires it in the Flyer zone. Here's Gerb. Gerb, in the move, they score! The Sabres tie the game, Steve Ott. There was a lot of puck movement. Brizgalov could not get control of it. And Steve Ott picks up the rebound and puts it in. And the crowd is rejuvenated. This is Reed. Reed is up to Stafford. Stafford to Weber. Weber to Ennis. Ennis deflected, and here go the Flyers with the puck movement. Is Max Talbot who's singing around. Here's McNabb. No relation to Donovan. Here's a pass, and Mazzaros took it away. The Sabres had an opportunity there, but it was intercepted. Here's Talbot. Talbot shoots one. Ryan Miller with the glove save. Opportunities after opportunities after opportunities for both these teams. Flyers with 19 shots on goal. The Sabres with 8. So the Flyers are getting the shots. There's Timonen again. And tripled, and Miller got a piece of that. And here's Vanek. Vanek. Around in that. Here's a pass. The Palmerville lost it. Here's Briere. Briere. With the pass to Hartnell. And a save by Miller. I guess it was high. Here's Palmerville. Here's Lena. Lena. Took the shot. Covino gets the puck now on the Hartnell. Here's Lena. The shot. Quick save by Brizgalov. Here's another chance. Covino, and we have a penalty. It's going to be on the Sabres. And here's Danny Briere who moves the puck. Briere fires one, and it was blocked. Hartnell behind the net. And it'll be a power play for the Flyers. Will go for slashing. Here's Covino. Shot. Blocked. Riga. Miller struggling with it. Voracek has it. Voracek missed it. He was wide. He had some open net, but he fed wide. Voracek. Again. Miller with the save. And now the puck is played all the way down. Coburn. Here's Brady Shin. Hartnell. Here's Voracek. Voracek shoots one, save made. Struggle for the puck. And Miller covers up. Off the glove of Miller. And Miller was able to get control of it. Briere. McTominay. Shot. Here's Mazaros. Down, 8:52 to go. Here's Morrison. Danny Briere. Briere. Here's Secure. Teaming. To McNabb. Shoots one. And we have a penalty coming up. It'll be a power play for the Sabres. Miller. Here's Ennis. Ennis gives it to Leopold. A shot. Wide. Ennis. It goes all the way down. And the Sabres in. Leopold to Hodgson. Here's Stafford. Stafford. The Hodgson, Stafford, moving up, shoots one, and the save by Brizgalov. Stafford again, the air off the shot, kicks save by Brizgalov again, and the puck is once again cleared. Talbot. Ennis starts up. Ennis moves on to Hodgson, shoots one off the post. That one is off the post, and now the Flyers start up. Flyers trying to go short-handed. Morrison had an opportunity. The power play will be over. 5:30 to go in the second period. It has been a physical game, low scoring. Jervis a chance. Here's Giroux. Jervis shoots one and a save by Miller. Giroux again to Morrison, and Miller. Another huge save, and here's Palmerville. And now he is checked. Sabres winning the call. The Flyers control it now. Weber takes it away, saves it deep in the Flyers zone. Jervis, Ronaldo. There's Brady Shin. On to Jody Shelley. Shelley with the shot save made and Stafford. Up with McNabb. There's Hack. Moving on in. Hack. Weber. Shot. Save made. There's Mazaros. And Jody Shelley. There's McNabb. There's Gary. Morrison starts up. Morrison, he can skate good. Here's Hartnell. A minute left in the second period. Here's Sosa. 38 seconds. Here's the Sabres, Timoney. And now here's Red. 14 seconds, so send it deep. Here's Reed. With 3 seconds to go, the second period comes to an end.
Hey fans, great tickets are still available to our next home game. Please visit the box office and
Great action here in the first. A lot of post shots. But the Sabres get one, Steve Ott, in the second period to even the score at 1. Period starts. Lazarus controls it. Lazarus takes the shot, and Miller, oh, he gave it up, but Morrison couldn't knock it home. There's Rico. Pominville. Up in the Flyers on the lane on the shot, and Brisgala makes the save. Earhart. Draw up this Pominville. Pominville, the pass to Leno, and Brisgala again. Coming up huge. There's a penalty on the Flyers though. Leno to Earhart, the shot deflected, and it'll be a power play for the Sabres. Morrison into the penalty box.
Philadelphia penalty number 22. Roughing. Time of the penalty.
Controlling it. Talbot. And Giroux knocking down, but not all the way out. Up the shot. Talbot controls it, and it goes down the ice. And once again, the Flyers move up. Ennis with the shot. Brisgala with the save. Face off. Taken all the way down. Weaver, Shapiro. And this will be icing. Billy Leno. Pominville controls the puck. Pominville shoots one, score. He made that look easy. He went it all calm, then shot the puck, and then went in the net. And the Sabres lead it 2-1. Jason Pominville. And that was just a quick shot. Take a look how calm this was. I mean, he just risked it. Got by this guy. Coburn and Lazarus. Now the Sabres fans are all pumped. Flyers need a tie. There's a shot by Morrison, and Ryan Miller makes the save, and he could be the difference in this hockey game. And Sabres again. Stafford a shot at Brisgala for the glove save. Leno went Simmons will phase off Leopold. The shot deflected. Palmer for a chance, and he shot it wide. And he had net because Brizgalov fell. Leno on a chance, and here goes Claude Giroux. Giroux to Simmons. Simmons moves in. Simmons shoots one, scores! Wade Simmons ties it! And this crowd gets quiet. And we're off the top of the post. Wayne Simmons tying the game here in Buffalo. Colburn will control the puck. Here's Hartnell. Hartnell moving in. Hartnell. With the pass to Mazzarros. Here's Morrison to Briere. Briere a chance, and that shot was deflected. And here's Earhart. Checked into the boards. Sabres fans want a call. They're not going to get one. Here come the Flyers. Here's Brian Morrison. Morrison, the pass to Simmons, and he fed it wide. Oh, Miller got a piece of it. Here's Mazzarros back to Colbert. Shoots one, save Miller. Simmons back again. Here's Mazzarros. That shot's blocked. Briere. Simmons a chance, save Miller. Simmons. Back to Colbert, who fires one. Miller with the save. He's pushing and shoving in front of the net. But Miller hangs on. Ryan Miller. Making a huge save. Here's Cabina. A shot deflected. Here's Cabina. And a Fedotenko. This is Red. Matt Reed. Excuse me. Top it in front, and he shot it wide. Timmy and the opportunity. And here's Ennis. On to Stafford. Stafford shoots one. Brizgalov with the save. And he'll cover up. Talbot had a chance and just shot it wide. 9:19 to go in the third period. Third to Weber. Fires one. He's got it with the save. Here's Ott behind the net. Ronaldo to Shelley. Here's Gold. Shoots one. Here's Braden Shen. Ronaldo. Ronaldo sends it back behind the net. And here's Gold. Moves up to McNabb. McNabb passes it back to Weber. Weber starts up. Weber in the left wing. Left circle. Check. Puck is scored up behind the net. Here's Leno, a chance. Leno! Brizgalov with the save, and now Jervis takes it out. Jervis gets the pass to Simmons. Here comes Simmons. Simmons behind the net. Simmons. He's up to Giroux. Jervis fires that shot. It's blocked. Giroux has it again. Shot blocked again, and the puck is sent back. And offsides is the call on Buffalo. Here's Hartnell. Hartnell shoots one in a save. made by Miller. Morrison has it. Now Hodgkin takes it up. Here's Colbert. Here's Hodgson. On to Ennis. Ennis shoots one. That shot's up high. Briere will start up with it. Briere passes it. Save made. There's Hodgson. To Bannock. Bannock shoots. Save made. Rebound. Briscoe covers up. To go in the game. Forward check. Forward check. Pass. And a save by Miller. Here come the Sabres. There's a flash off the pad of Brizgalov. Simmons. Here's forward check again. Approaching 2 minutes. Forward check. Waiting. Passes shot wide. Leopold. They move up the Bannock. Colburn takes it. Hartnell starts up. Here's Morrison the shot. Miller's off the net with a save. Morrison to Briere again. Hartnell with a chance. I think Miller knocked down Hartnell. There was no call. Teaming in. The Mazzaros shoots one. And I think the shot was wide. Looks like another overtime game, another good finish. Here's teammate shot. Save made by Miller. And the Sabres with it. Here's Hodgson. On to Tyler Ennis. Ennis. Moves. Can't get it to go. And look out. Here's Briere. All alone. Briere. Oh, what a save by Miller. Oh, man. Kopina. To Leopold. 15 seconds to go. Briere had an opportunity to win it. Carmenville a chance. 2 minutes. 6 seconds to go. Voracek has a chance. Will it be enough? And that shot was blocked. And we're going overtime. For the second time. Flyers and Sabres in as many games. Various opportunities, both plays, team scoring in the third, in the regulation here in Buffalo. Face off. Colburn, here's Morrison. Morrison trying to fly. He's trying to end it quick here. Leopold. Here's Pominville. Pominville shoots one, save. Behind the net is Leno. Leno to Pominville. Save me. Leno a chance. And the shot was wide. Here goes the Sabres. Rigorous shot. Sabres gone off. Here's Voracek. Fires me. Morrison. Back to Mazzaros. It goes all the way down. Both teams trying to put it away. Voracek. Waiting. Down a puck. Sent off to the boards and down and deep in the Flyers zone. Here come the Sabres. Now the Flyers start. Voracek shoots one. Save made. And here's Bannock. Bannock. Moving. Left circle. Checking the boards. Hodgson behind the net. Leopold shoots one. And Mazzaros takes it away. Flyers trying to score before the overtime period ends. Mazzaros moving. Spinning. Morrison shoots one and Miller with the save. And it kicks out the Leno. Morrison gets it back though. Flyers have to stay on sides, and now they have to start over. There's Mazzales. Behind the net. Lost it. Coaching a minute here in overtime. And here's Willie Leno with the steal. Leno moving up. Leno a chance save. And Coburn takes it away before Leno had a chance to end it. 52 seconds to go. Coburn. Moving up. Coburn. Waiting. Coburn behind the net. Waits. And shoots it, and it's deflected. Erdoff is sitting around. Both of these teams, a lot of energy. 27 seconds to go. Here in overtime. Behind the net, Leno has it. Now check into the boards. 16 seconds to go. Cabino will start up and sitting around. But the Sabres keep it in. A shot and hit the post. Flyers a chance for one more rush. 5 seconds. They gotta hurry. Now Fires. Miller with the save, and we're going to the shootout. Nobody wants this game to end. Now here are the shootout participants. Flyers will start first. Morrison for the Flyers. Morrison cuts up. And a save by Miller. Morrison deep. Here's Jason Pominville. Here's Pominville. Save Briscoe. Giroux. Save Ryan Miller. Everybody wants to end it. This is Vanek. Vanek. Save Briscoe. Miller with a save. And now the Sabres scored a winning here in the shootout. Tyler Ennis. Ennis starting up. Briscoe covers. Voracek. Who wants it? Voracek. Save Ryan Miller. We are in round 4. Erdoff. And he couldn't get it by Briscoe. Now Hartnell now. Hartnell. Look out. Save Miller. This could go on all night. I mean, it could go on all night. Here's Stafford. Stafford. Star. Sabres win. So the Sabres get the extra overtime point. Sabres get the 2, the Flyers get the 1 point. The Sabres win it 1-0 in the shootout. 3-2, the final score. Catch this game on EASN later on. Highlights on 430 Mason. Comment, rate, and subscribe and like.